Hi, good morning everybody. I am bouncing fig. I'm actually in Serdang and it is about 20 minutes away from Kuala Lumpur. And guess what? You can actually have satay at 7 a.m. in the morning. We're in a beautiful little housing area and it is so worth the trip because it looks like it's the bomb of a place.
Sate 7 pagi ni kita asalnya semua menu-menu sate 7 pagi adalah resepi dan menu-menu common menu di Muar Johor. Okay? Saya ada soto. 4 soto, mie rebus, lontong dan sate. Tiap-tiap kedai, hampir semua kedai ada. Pengurus sate 7 pagi dah rasa kita boleh bawa kelainan menu-menu yang unik seperti soto, sate semua. Sate seawal 7 pagi, ikut nama pun sate 7 pagi. Dia orang Muar. Jadi dia meronda-ronda Muar ni, dia adalah jumpa kedai yang lontong yang terbaik, sate yang terbaik semua. Jadi dia dah buat kontak, dah rapat dengan pengurus di mana soto terbaik. Okey, ada kontak-kontak dia, lontong terbaik kontak-kontak dia. Jadi dia dah belajar menu dia sikit-sikit semua dan try publish dekat sate 7 pagi lah.
Dia nak ke Melaka, so breakfast di sini dululah. Dia punya taste kenalah dengan kita, dengan betul-betul rasa. Kalau lontong tu memang you akan rasa betul punya lontong. Kalau sate tu memang rasalah, memang sedap lah. Macam tu.
Tahun memang abang daripada sini ke? Atau daripada Johor?
Kita daripada sini lah. Bos orang Johor.
Sedap lah. Makanan dia sedap, harga pun murah.
Harga dia lah.
Makanan dekat sini pun macam okey, sejuk.
Sejuk. This is the lontong jumbo, another specialty. So you've got the compressed rice with eggs and bergedil, which is a potato. They've got bits of coconut as well. Let me try that. Wow, it is spicy. There's so much flavor with a little bit of that coconut and that nutty taste really sets this aside from a lot of lontongs that I've tried. Oh, it's absolutely lovely. And the coconut milk is light. Oh, it's fantastic. Beautiful use of turmeric. It's not bright yellow. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, music retro semua. Jadi kita on the way lah untuk buat restoran yang old school dan professional, kelas. Ada kelas dia.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the beef satay. And like the satay master said, you know, you're using special coal and it's specially marinated from Johor. Okay, I love it. It's really rare to get a very well marinated satay where the coriander comes out, the onions and the fresh garlic comes out, and you'll get that here. Very good quality meat, not fatty and definitely not skimpy. This is definitely the real deal. So we've got the soto, which is basically a very clean beef or chicken broth. Again, compressed rice with fried vermicelli and some spring onion, and it's a beautiful soup to have in the morning as well. Oh yeah. You know a very good soto when you have flavors that come out. For example, the star anise, the cloves, and the cinnamon, which is very necessary. You know, when you actually stir fry the bones or the meat before you put in the water. So I usually love it when a soto ayam has all those herbs, very typically Malay. Very tasty. Look at that.
304.
Okay, this is probably the only place where you'll find dry lontong, and it's not very common because usually it's with that coconut broth. But they have dry lontong here, so basically you don't have any gravy, but loads and loads of sambal. I'm so excited because there's also cow lung, which is one of my favorite internal organs because it's just chewy and, you know, full of flavor. I'm just gonna bet a big chunk of it. Look at all the lovely sambal that's sucked into the nasi impit. It's absolutely amazing. Let me try that. Oh yeah, vegetables. One more.
Itulah dream Sate 7 pagi untuk wujudkan satu restoran yang menu-menu retro dan keadaan sekeliling yang retro.